Hi friends, how are you? I'm fine also. And today we are going to learn a new poem from my English book 3, Standard 3 and unit number 3. But before going to learn this poem, I want to ask some little questions to you. I want to check your knowledge about our this topic. Okay? Now there are so little questions and you must listen carefully and answer the questions. I ask you only 4 little questions. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. The first question is, where do we get chance to hear rhymes and poems? I translate it in Marathi for all of you. आपल्याला गाणी किंवा कविता ऐकण्याची संधी कोठे कोठे मिळते? Anyone knows the answer? Oh, yeah. We get the chance to hear rhymes and poems on the television, on radio programs, and various types of cultural programs. When sometimes there are programs in our homes, at that time we listen poems, rhymes, and also most important thing is we listen rhymes and poems in our school. Yes, in our textbook we read that poems and rhymes. म्हणजेच आपल्याला कविता किंवा गाणी ऐकण्याची जी संधी आहे ती बऱ्याच वेळेला आपण टीव्ही वरती गाणी ऐकतो, रेडिओवरती असे गाण्यांचे कार्यक्रम होतात. याचबरोबर आपल्या घरी काही कार्यक्रम असतील, काही सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम असतील, अशा ठिकाणाहून आपल्याला अशी गाणी आणि कविता ऐकायला मिळतात. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे आपल्याला ह्या कविता ऐकायला मिळतात त्या आपल्या शाळेमध्ये. आपल्या पाठ्यपुस्तकामध्ये अशा वेगवेगळ्या कविता आपल्याला ऐकायला मिळतात. बरोबर आहे ना? Am I right? Okay. Now next question is, do you like to listen poems? म्हणजे तुम्हाला कविता किंवा गाणी ऐकायला आवडतात का? Yeah, always. Everyone like to listen the poems and songs and rhymes because poems has a rhythm and poems or rhymes gives us chance to dance. We are become happy and we feel joyful when we listen the poems or songs. म्हणजे कविता आणि गाणी या सगळ्यांनाच आवडतात. मलाही आवडतात. या कविता का आवडतात बरं? कारण या कविता या तालासुरामध्ये असतात. याला संगीताची साथ असते आणि ते ऐकायला आपल्याला कानांना खूप छान वाटतं. आपल्याला कविता ऐकल्याबरोबर काय होतं? आपोआप आपले पाय फिरकायला लागतात, नाचावंसं वाटतं त्या कवितांच्या बरोबर. Yes, we want to clap our hands while listening poems. We want to tap our feet while listening the poems. We want to turn around while listening the poems or rhythms. Okay. Now, third question is, which types of songs or poems you like most? म्हणजे तुम्हाला कोणत्या प्रकारच्या कविता ऐकायला आवडतात? Okay, yeah, correct. You are little boys and girls, you are children, so you are like most the babble songs. Babble songs म्हणजे बडबड गीत. We listen these type of songs from our childhood. Means you also learn that type of poems and rhymes in your first and second standard. I think all of you know the Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars, and there is a one poem which is almost very likely sung by the small children. Which is it? Yeah, Johnny Johnny, yes Papa. This is the poem which poem sings each and every child and it like most. Okay? म्हणजे ही कविता अगदी छोट्या छोट्या मुलांना सुद्धा फार आवडते. जी मुलं शाळेत गेली नाही त्यांना सुद्धा बडबड गीत आवडतात. आणि लहान मुलांनाच नाही तर अगदी मोठ्या माणसांना सुद्धा अशा कविता म्हणायला, ऐकायला आणि गायला सुद्धा आवडतात. And now the fourth and last question. Tell me some rhymes which you like. म्हणजे तुम्हाला आवडणाऱ्या राईम्सची मला नावं सांगा. Yeah, I told you. Just I told you the rhymes. Twinkle twinkle little star, jolly jolly yes papa, rain rain come again. These types of rhymes we learned and we heard in our classrooms. Okay? म्हणजे ह्या कविता तुम्ही ऐकलेल्या आहेत, पाहिलेल्या आहेत आणि ह्याच कवितांच्या अनुषंगाने आज एक छोटीशी कविता आपण अभ्यासणार आहोत. But today's poem is about nature. Here is our picture, and this picture is about the trees. Trees are very important in our life. Why? Because trees are remove carbon dioxide, reduce erosion, provides us foods, provides us medicines. Trees add oxygen in our environment, in air. Trees gives us fresh air. Trees also cools our houses. म्हणजे झाडं आपल्याला शुद्ध हवा देतात, पाणी देतात, फळं देतात, फुलं देतात. आपल्याला झाडांपासून औषधे सुद्धा मिळतात. म्हणजे आपल्याला साधा खोकला आला तर आपण आपली आई काय करते, तुळशीची पानं खायला घालते, काढा करून देते. इन दिस वे trees plays very important role in our life on this planet, and all living things are also dependent on the trees or on the plants. All living things need plants to live. They eat them and live in them. Plants help to clean water too. म्हणजे ही झाडं, ह्या झाडांवरती आपलं जीवन अवलंबून असतं. आपल्याला जगण्यासाठी झाडांची आवश्यकता असते. आपण झाडांवर जगतो आणि झाडांच्या सोबत आपण सगळेजण जगत असतो. And so today we are going to learn a new poem from standard 3, unit number 3, and the name of the poem is Plant Magic. Plant म्हणजे रोप, वृक्ष किंवा झाड, and magic means जादू. In short we call it in Marathi किमया, the plant of magic. I want to repeat that plants are very necessary and important in our life. Now I am going to learn you today's poem. All of you listen carefully and try to understand the poem. Okay? In this poem there is a little girl who wants to sow a seed, and she also wants to grow it up. And in this poem, poet describes the thinking of that little girl. म्हणजे ह्या कवितेमध्ये एका लहानशा मुलगीला एक छोटंसं बी पेरावंसं वाटतं आणि ते बी पेरल्यानंतर काय काय होईल, त्याच्यासाठी काय काय लागेल याचं सुंदर वर्णन या कवितेमध्ये त्या कवींनी केलेलं आहे. Now I am going to sing this poem in rhythm. Okay, all of you listen carefully, try to understand the rhythm, and all of you also try to sing this poem at your home with proper rhythm. Okay guys? Now let's go. I am going to sing this poem. All of you listen it carefully. A little seed for me to sow, a little earth to make it grow. A little seed for me to sow, a little earth to make it grow. A little heart, a little pond, a little wish, and that is that. A little heart, a little pond, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, a little wine, and then a flower. A little sun, a little shower, a little wine, and then a flower, then a flower. Okay? I think all of you understand the rhythm of this poem. You always try it at your home. Okay guys? I am going to explain this poem line by line. All of you listen carefully and try to understand the poem. Here are some pictures with the lines. Now listen carefully. The first stanza, the first sentence in this stanza is a little seed. A little seed. A little seed म्हणजे एक लहान बी. Here is a picture of the seed. One little seed the girl want to sow. A little seed for me to sow. म्हणजे एक लहानसं बी मला पेरण्यासाठी. The little girls want a little seed for sow. And a little earth. A little earth means थोडीशी जमीन आणि थोडीशी माती. Actually, earth means पृथ्वी. But in this poem, earth means जमीन किंवा थोडीशी माती ते बी पेरण्यासाठी. A little earth to make it grow. A little earth to make it grow. Make it grow म्हणजे त्या बीची वाढ होण्यासाठी. त्या बीची वाढ व्हावी यासाठी आपल्याला काय आवश्यकता आहे? थोड्याशा जमिनीची आणि थोड्याशा मातीची. And a little hole. A little hole म्हणजे एक लहानसं बीड. A little hole. Here is a picture of hole. A little hole म्हणजे एक लहानसं बीड. And a little pot. Pot म्हणजे एक छोटंसं भांड किंवा कुंडी. The girl want a little hole, a little pot, and a little wish. म्हणजे एवढीशी छोटीशी इच्छा. त्या छोट्याशा मुलीची छोटीशी इच्छा आहे. A little wish and that is that. म्हणजे इतकंच माझी इतकीशी इच्छा आहे. A little girl says that. A little wish and that is that. माझी इतकी लहानशी इच्छा आहे. And there are some things which provide useful things for that seed to grow up. And what are they? Here, a little sun. A little sun means सूर्य. पण इथं आपण काय अर्थ घ्यायचा आहे? थोडासा सूर्यप्रकाश. A little sun, a little shower. Here is the picture, a little shower. A little shower म्हणजे थोडंसं पाणी. Shower means कारंज म्हणतो आपण त्याला. तुषार म्हणतो आपण झाडामध्ये शेतीमध्ये आपण बघितलं असेल. Here is another picture. Shower means rain. That little seed wants little shower म्हणजे थोडंसं पाणी त्या बियाची वाढ होण्यासाठी. And a little while and then a flower. A little while म्हणजे थोडासा कालावधी. काही काळ गेल्यानंतर काय होईल? Then a flower. त्याला छानशी आणि सुंदरशी फुलं येतील. Which makes us so happy. When we see any flower, we are happy and we like that flowers. In this way, the little girl wants to sow a seed and grow it up, and she wants a little and beautiful flower from that seed or from that plant. Are you understand the point? Okay. Now, there are some new words in this poem. I will explain all the words and their meanings in Marathi. The first word in this poem is little. Little. Little means lahan. Second word is seed. Seed. Seed म्हणजे bee. Third one is sow. sow. Here are the words. sow म्हणजे पेरणे. And next, earth. earth. earth म्हणजे पृथ्वी. पण आपण या कवितेत काय अर्थ घ्यायचा आहे? थोडीशी जमीन किंवा थोडीशी माती. ओके. The next word is hole. H-O-L-E, hole. Hole means bead. Next is wish. W-R-S-H, wish. Wish म्हणजे इच्छा किंवा आशा किंवा आकांक्षा. Second, sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun म्हणजे सूर्य. But in this poem, we are calling sun, not sun. Sunshine म्हणजे सूर्य प्रकाश, थोडासा सूर्यप्रकाश. नंतरचा शब्द आहे then. T-H-E-N. And its meaning is also नंतर. Second word is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower म्हणजे फूल, पुष्प, सुमन. मराठीत त्याला भरपूर समानार्थी शब्द आहेत. And last word is while. W-H-I-L-E. while. While means कालावधी, काही थोडा वेळ, अवधी. All these are the difficult words or new words for all of you in this poem. Write down all these words in your notebook and try to read it and remind it. Okay? Now, all of you listen the poem when I am singing it. I explained the poem, but there is a one common thing in each and every poem, and it is rhyming word. Because of these rhyming words, each and every poem gets a rhythm. And I will explain the rhyming words in this poem. And also, all of you find these words from your textbook or another book. Okay? Here are some rhyming words related in the poem. First word is seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. And the rhyming word is feed. Second one is S-O-W. Sow. And the rhyming word is R-O-W. Row. Third, P-O-T. Pot. And rhyming word is C-O-T. Cot. Fourth word is wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. And the rhyming word is fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Wish. Fish. Now, fifth word from this poem is that. T-H-A-T. That. And rhyming word is bat. That. Bat. Another one is sun. And rhyming word is fun. Sun. Fun. And second last word is shower. S-H-O-W-E-R. And rhyming word is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Shower, flower. And last one is while. W-H-I-L-E. While. And rhyming word is smile. While, smile. Okay. These are the rhyming words from our poem. Now, once again, I sing this poem with rhythm. All of you listen carefully and remind the rhythm of this poem. Okay? Let's go. A little seed for me to sow, a little earth to make it grow. A little seed for me to sow, a little earth to make it grow. A little hole, a little pond, a little weeds, and that is that. A little hole, a little pond, a little weeds, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, a little vine, and then a flower, then a flower. A little sun, a little shower, a little vine, and then a flower, then a flower. Okay? Are you understand the rhythm? Yeah. Now, there are only two questions I want to ask on this poem for all of you for the revision. Okay, here are the questions. You must answer the questions. The first question is, who wants to grow seed? म्हणजे कोणाला हे बी वाढवायची इच्छा आहे? And the answer is a little girl. Yeah, correct. A little girl wants to grow seed. And the second and last question is, who will grow seed? म्हणजे ते झाड किंवा ते बी कोण वाढवू शकतं? Yeah, correct. A little earth. A little earth will grow a seed. Okay, students? Are you understand the point? Yeah. Now we are stop here. But at your home, you read, learn and recite the poem with action.